Physics channel. Students, in this session I am going to discuss about sign convention, mirror formula and magnification in light. Students, to do numericals on spherical mirrors, we need to follow some sign conventions. How we will follow sign convention? That is based upon coordinate system. Look at here. For suppose I kept one spherical mirror in the coordinate system such that whose pole is at origin. So here the distance of the object or image in front of the mirror from the pole along the negative x-axis is negative, and the distance of the image behind the mirror from the pole along positive x-axis is positive. And what about its height? See, look at here. Height of the object or image parallel to the positive y-axis is positive, and the height of the image parallel to the negative y-axis is negative. Simple, students. See, just we will apply the sign convention by using coordinate system. See, in short way I will tell you how. Look at here. See, along negative x-axis means distance negative. Along positive x-axis means distance positive. Height along positive y-axis. If you compare height parallel to the positive y-axis, positive. If you compare parallel to the negative y-axis, negative. Very simple, students. Okay. Now mirror formula. If focal length of the mirror is small f, object distance is small u, and image distance is small v, then mirror formula is 1 by small f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where small f means focal length, u means, small u means object distance, and v means image distance. Students, by using this formula, we can find focal length or object distance or image distance. So, the mirror formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here, object distance always negative. Why? Because object distance is always we will take in front of the mirror. That means object is always placed in front of the mirror. That is parallel to negative x-axis. Okay. So object distance is always negative. Image distance, it may be positive or negative. If it is real image distance will be negative. Why? Because it is in front of the mirror. That is along the negative x-axis. And if the image is virtual image, then it is positive. How? Because virtual image forms behind the mirror along the positive x-axis. And focal length. What about focal length? See, for focal length of a concave mirror, if you take means, for concave mirror, focal length is always in front of the mirror. That is parallel to the negative x-axis. So, for concave mirror, focal length is always negative. But for convex mirror, focal length is positive. Why convex mirror focal length is positive? Because for convex mirror, focal length we will take behind the mirror, that is parallel to positive x-axis. Okay, students, while doing problems, you have to remember these points. Now magnification. What is meant by magnification? See, magnification tells us how many times image size that of object size. What is the definition of magnification? The definition of magnification is, it is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object, or it is the ratio of image distance to the object distance. Look at here. See, magnification is denoted by small m. M equal to, it is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. That is, height of the image hi by height of the object ho. That means h suffix I and h suffix o. Okay, that indicates height of the image and height of the object. So magnification is equal to ratio of height of the image to the height of the object, or it is the ratio of image distance to the object distance minus v by u. So it is the formula for magnification. So magnification m equal to hi by ho or minus v by u. See, magnification tells us how many times image size is equal to object size. Okay, so that's about magnification. Students, now we will do numericals on spherical mirrors. First, I will do problem on concave mirror. Look at here. An object size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should be a screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. First of all, we will write given data. Given object of size 7 cm. Object size means height of the object. Look at here. Height of the object 7 cm. See, height of the object is always positive. Why? Because height of the object we will take parallel to the positive y-axis. So it is always positive. Next, what they have given is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror. See, in front of a concave mirror, object is placed at a distance 27 cm. That means object distance 27 cm. Look at here, u equal to 27 cm. Is it plus or minus? It is minus. Why? Because object distance is always negative. Object distance we will take in front of the mirror parallel to the negative x-axis. So object distance always negative, my dear students. So here minus you have to keep. U equal to minus 27 cm. So next what they have given? Focal length given. Focal length how much? 18 cm. So focal length small f equal to 18 cm. Okay. Focal length is plus or minus? Focal length is minus, students. Why? Focal length for a concave mirror we will take in front of the mirror, that is parallel to negative x-axis. So focal length is negative. Look at here. You have to take minus. Okay. Now what you need to find? You need to find at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained. That means you need to find image distance. V equal to question mark. So to find V, we use mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Look at here. Formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. We need to find v. So I will make v as subject. So from that what I will get? 1 by v equal to 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So 1 by v. See what I got? 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So in the place of F, what I need to write? I need to write minus 18 minus 1 by U. U plus what I need to write? I need to write minus 27. Minus 27. So, minus into minus plus, I will get 1 by 27. So, I will write 1 by 27 minus 1 by 18. Okay. If you do LCM for 27 and 18, see 27 and 18, if you do LCM here, okay, take 9 table, 9 3s 27, 9 2s 18, okay, 9 2s 18. So, here, what is the LCM here? See, here, 3 2s, 6, 6 9s 54, so 54 is the LCM. Then 27, 54 divides 27, 54, 27 2s, 2 into 1, 2 minus, and 18 divides 54 3 times, so 3 into 1, 3. So what I got? I got minus 1 by 54. So V equal to what? Minus 54 centimeters. See, it is 1 by V. 1 by V equal to minus 1 by 54. How we can check it? Look at here. See, object distance 27. Okay. Focal length 18 centimeter. That means object is placed between C and F. How? See, focal length 18 means center of curvature 36. So object is placed between center of curvature and focal length. Why? Because object distance 27, focal length 18, center of curvature 36. So object in between 18 and 36. So when object between focal length and center of curvature, image should be formed beyond C. See, already C 36 centimeter. How I know? Focal length 18, so C 36 centimeter. So our image should be more than 36 centimeter. So here I got more than 36 centimeter. So I can say I got correct answer. So I got minus 54 centimeter. Minus represents what? Minus represent it is real image. It is real image distance. Okay. Real image distance means the distance in front of the mirror along negative x-axis. Okay. So that's why I got V equal to minus 54 centimeter. Here minus indicates that is real image distance. Image is formed at a distance 54 centimeter in front of the mirror. See, I didn't write minus here. Why I didn't write minus? Because I am telling here it is in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror means it is real image. That too it is along the negative x-axis. So that indicates minus sign. So here already I wrote in front of the mirror. That's why you no need to take minus here. But while writing number you should take. But whenever you are writing sentence, here you should not take. Instead of that minus, I said in front of the mirror. Okay. Next what we need to find? Next we need to find size and nature of the image. See, size means height of the image. Look at here. We have formula. What is that? Hi by Ho equal to minus V by U. See, from that height of the image equal to minus V by U into H naught. So minus V, what I got? V I got minus 54. So minus 54 by, and U how much? Minus 27. Minus 27. H naught, height of the object, that is 7 centimeter. 7. Okay. So here minus minus cancel. 27, 54 cancel 2 times. Okay. 2 into 7, 14. So I got minus 14 centimeter. See, height of the image I got minus 14 centimeter. Students, here minus indicates that is real image. So, height of the real image 14 centimeter. Okay, height of the real image is 14 centimeter. Then, what is the nature of the image? See, you know that nature of the image, real and inverted. Okay, so nature of the image, real and inverted. That's about problem on concave mirror. Okay, now problem on convex mirror. Look at here. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. First we will write given data. Look at here. An object 5 cm in length. That means they have given object size. Look at here. Given height of the object is equal to 5 centimeter. See, height of the object always positive. Already you know that. We discussed in previous problem also. So, height of the object 5 centimeter. Next is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means object distance 20 centimeter. U equal to 20 centimeter. Plus 20 or minus 20? Minus 20. Why? Because in front of the mirror. So minus 20 centimeter. Okay. Then they have given radius of curvature 30 centimeter. See, R equal to 30 centimeter. R 30 centimeter means from that focal length small f equal to R by 2. That equal to 30 by 2. That equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Focal length plus or minus? It is plus. Why? Because for convex mirror, we will take focal length behind the mirror. Okay. So focal length 15 centimeter. Next, what they have given? Find the position of the image and its nature and size. See, V equal to question mark, and you have to find its size. Height of the image equal to question mark, and also nature. Nature equal to what? Okay. So here, first we need to find image distance by applying mirror formula. Okay. Shall we apply now? Yes. Look at here. Mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. From that, I need to find v. I will make v subject. So I can write 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So here only I am writing. Look at here. See, 1 by v. 1 by v means we need to find that only. Okay, 1 by v. 1 by f means how much? F means 15. Okay, minus 1 by u. 1 by u how much? Minus 20. So minus into minus plus. So what will you get? 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. That is 1 by v. Okay. So here I need to do LCM. For 15 and 20 I need to do LCM. For 15 and 20 if you do LCM, you will get 60. So I am saying directly 60 is the LCM for 15 and 20. Okay, if you have doubt you can check. Okay, so 15 divides 60 4 times. Okay, 20 divides 60 3 times. 3 into 1 3. So I got 4 plus 3 by 60. So what I got? I got 1 by v equal to 7 by 60. That means v equal to, from that v equal to 60 by 7 centimeter. 60 by 7 means you can cancel 60 with 7. Okay, 7 8s 56 point. Okay, 4 remainder, 4 remainder means 40. 40 means 7 5 is 35. Okay. So 7 5 is 35. So I can take 8.5 centimeter. Okay. So I will take 8.5 centimeter. V equal to. So if you have doubt, here look at here. 60, 7, 7 8 56. Okay. 4 remainder. 0.075 is 35. So again what will you get? Again you will get 5 only. Okay. I got V equal to 8.6 centimeter. Now look at here. Now what we need to find? We need to find height of the image. That means we need to find height of the image here. That is height of the image. How we will find? Look at here. See, height of the image equal to, minus V by U into height of the object. So here minus V plus what I need to write? I will write V plus instead of this 8.6 I will write 60 by 7. Why? To do calculation it is very easy. So I will write 60 by 7. Look at here. 60 by 7. Okay. By U how much? U how much? That is minus 20 into H naught, height of the image, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. So here minus cancel. Okay. 60 by 7 into 20 into 5. Okay. So 20 table 63 times. So I will get 15 by 7 table 15. 7 2s 14. Okay. 1 remainder 0.0. Okay. Again 7 1s 7. 3 remainder. Okay. So 7 4s. So here keep 0. 7 4s 28. 2 will get. So you will get 2.14 like this. It is virtual and erect image. How I know? Because it is convex mirror. Okay. It is convex mirror. So nature virtual and erect. Okay. So that's about numerical on convex mirror. Students, thanks for watching my video. In next session, we will discuss about refraction of light. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.